Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam if it won't log you in, even if you have entered the correct email and password. All right, so first fix for that, go ahead and go to your date and time, right click on it and just click on adjust date and time. Okay, and here make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically are enabled. Once that's enabled, go ahead and click on sync now. Wait for it, and if you do have a third-party antiviruses, go ahead and disable it for now. Okay, just leave a Defender or Microsoft Defender enabled. Again, disable any third-party antiviruses such as Malwarebytes, ESET, Avast, or whatever. Okay, disable it, and once done, go ahead and double click on Steam and then just log in. If adjusting the date and time and turning off antiviruses still doesn't help, okay, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Windows Defender Firewall. Now this one, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now go ahead and go to the top left, click on Allow an App or Feature. Wait for it, scroll down and find Steam, okay? Just like this one right here. Make sure that both private and public are ticked. So just go ahead and click on Change Settings. Again, Steam, enable or tick Steam private and public. And if you can't find Steam right here, just go ahead and click on Allow another app, click on Browse, go to local disk C or where your Steam is installed, program files x86, find Steam, find the Steam exe, and then just click on Open and Add. I'm not going to do it, it will just give me an error because I already have it. Okay, and then once everything is ticked, go ahead and click on OK. Close this one, and then once that's done, go ahead and find %local app data %. Click on this file folder, again %local app data %. Click on it and find the Steam folder, which is right here. So right click and just click on delete. Okay, I don't want to do it because I don't have the problem anymore and I'm logged into multiple accounts. Okay, just click on delete. Once that's done, restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix Steam if it won't log you in with the correct email or password. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.